Terrestrial planets. A terrestrial planet, also known as a telluric planet or rocky planet, is defined as a planet that is composed primarily of silicate rocks or metals. In our solar system, the terrestrial planets are the inner planets, such as the ones closest to the sun. Terrestrial and telluric are from the Latin words for Earth, Terra and Tullus. Because these planets' composition is similar to that of the Earth, the four terrestrial planets are in order from distance of the Sun: Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Other than Earth, it is believed that the conditions on Mars are the most hospitable for life. It may have had life there in the past, and there may still be life on Mars today, but who knows? The extreme conditions on Mercury and Venus are too harsh and heinous to sustain in nature life. Now we got here a little picture so you can see if you don't know what the planets are. This is Mercury, of course. And then we got a hot planet such as Venus. This is second closest to the sun. And here's an actual picture of Venus. I just wanted to let y'all know that since these planets are close to the sun, that of course, they're going to be really hot. And here is what we've all been waiting for: Earth, our home, the place that we've called home for billions of years. Now, our home is made up of 70% of water, of the oceans, of the lakes, the rivers. There's only 7% that has been discovered of the deep ocean. And the other 30% is land, of course. And here's Mars. Now, we know more about Mars than we do about the bottom of our floor and what lives in our oceans. So I would love for us to, dive on in and figure out what's in our oceans so we can be better known of, what's going on in our world. And here's Mars. Now, if you want me to, I can do another video on these other ones. Alright, so these are gas planets, the gas giants. There are also four gas giant planets: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. These planets are found in the outer solar system. They are categorized by their massiveness and gasiness composition. Unlike terrestrial planets, whose composition is rocky, gas giants have a mostly gaseous composition, such as hydrogen and helium. They do have some rocky material, although this is most often found in the planet core. The four gas giants are in order of distance from the Sun: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Astronomers sometimes categorize Uranus and Neptune as ice giants because their composition differs from Jupiter and Saturn. This is because most of them are composed of water, ammonia, and methane. Now here's our big planet, Jupiter. It's the biggest planet that we know about to this day. Until we think about Saturn. Everybody knows what Saturn is because, I guess God liked it so much he put a ring on it. But this is the widest planet because the gases make up the rings, and the rings are just huge. Now, Uranus. This was the problem planet in the school because if Uranus went to school in the places I went to school, it would have been a bunch of jokes here. Neptune, the bluest planet of all. I think Neptune might be my favorite planet of all because I'm just so fascinated with the color blue, and I don't know, I just love just love Neptune. I don't really have a reasoning. But you know, you don't have to have a reasoning sometimes. You just like things. Alright, to end things off, the sun. The biggest, baddest star of them all. Now I can do another video talking about just the sun. Very fascinated about it. If you did like this video, make sure you do like, comment, and subscribe. This is my new channel. If you want me to bring more facts to the table, I can. And I was just really trying to make the video as short as possible. You know, not to take too much time, but I cut it down from 20 minutes to, I guess, 6 minutes. So let me know what you think. Until next time, I'm out.